Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to the channel. Hey, are you looking for a split floor plan single wide? I'm talking about a full bathroom and a bedroom on one side, a full bathroom and a bedroom on the opposite side, and in the middle, a totally updated home, including a totally rebuilt Florida room, nearly doubling the size of the property. But Mark, single wides are small. I need a double wide. Well, friend, with 2 beds and 2 baths, a fully built out Florida room, and the body of the home being 60, that's right, 60 feet long, I beg to differ. And I invite you to come and take a look at this virtual tour, as this home is a gem from start to finish, and a deal being under $50,000, all while being in a resort style community. This home, friend, is located at 2 Center Isle here in beautiful Lake Placid, Florida. We're back at it again in Sunshine Manufactured Home Community, a 55 and older park that is in Lake Placid, a smaller town, but you do have a bigger town called Sebring just down the way. So if you're looking for a rare split floor plan, huge single wide at an affordable price, make sure you watch this entire virtual tour. Turn up the TV, grab the snacks, and call Uncle Harry. Have him come on over and let's take a look at this beautiful property here at the Mobile Home Dealer YouTube channel. All right, folks, this single wide is absolutely massive, and I honestly feel like it has 2 of everything. So if you're in the market for a larger home, you want the backup for the backup, you're that kind of buyer, make sure you watch this entire virtual tour, as you are going to be impressed from start to finish. Now, what we'll do on this quick walk around is tour the outside, jump in the inside, and towards the end of the video, we're going to finish up with the numbers section to profile this low-cost home here in Lake Placid, Florida. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Mark here. Hey, sorry for the interruption. If you haven't yet done so, I want to personally invite you to come on the Mobile Home Dealer community journey with us and smash that subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner. Now, that being said, let's get back to the home tour. So, with all that out of the way, if you're ready, I'm ready. And welcome to the virtual tour of this beautiful home located at 2 Center Isle here within Lake Placid, Florida. Now, folks, before we get walk on the outside, let's get an idea of exactly where we're located at here in the park. If I come on over here, I veer to the right past that black SUV, that's going to be one of the main drags of the park. That's going to take us directly to the community center, the pool, and all the fun stuff that this park is known for. Let's cruise around here just to give you an idea of exactly what this area of the park looks like. Nice new double wide there. Come on over here. I'm going to veer to the right. I'm going to go down towards that stop sign and hang a right. And that is going to take us back to one of the many water features that this community is known for. So a lot of open space and a lot of places just to enjoy nature here in Lake Placid. That is for sure. Now, we're going to start off with a bang here, okay? And I was not kidding. This home has just about 2 of everything. Right on the start, we have a new carport, and then you have a separate carport here to the side. So 2 separate carports. The main one is going to be mainly for your vehicles. It's quite large, as you see in this video. If you have a truck or a trailer, you're going to have plenty of space. You easily, if you have a smaller car, easily can put 2 in there. This guy over here, this is going to be more for your golf cart, if you like. And then we also have an extended, excuse me, an extended driveway on the front. The entire driveway here got redone with a stamped tile. Looking very nice, very slick, as you see the shine on that new carport here. Nice club car. That unit is coming with the deal. Okay, it is coming with the house. It has new batteries in it, and it is going to be able just to zip you all around the entire community. One of 2 storage sheds, and this is no janky shed, guys. If you see it, it's going to be the metal shed, knock test. Definitely a nice unit here. The quick ramp for easy access. We're running power in here, as you see with the lights. It's going to be great to put your lawn equipment out here. Of course, you got the shop vac. You want to clean up your car, whatever you want to do. It's just nice that you have it. As I come on here through the pass-through, we got the tile, keeping everything nice and tight. Look down here so I don't slip. Secondary shed. I don't have a key on this one, but you're going to get the idea. A little bit smaller than the main one, and a nice extra shed here. Got the gas for the stove, so all you cooks are going to be happy with that. AC recently serviced, so keeping us nice and cool. The first of 2 patios here on the back of the home. This is going to be the access door to the fully built out Florida room, which is absolutely massive. Look at that side yard, having all that extra space. That is quite nice. That's quite nice. Very spacious indeed. It's a bigger home, guys. We're talking 60, that's right, 60 feet on the length. Massive single wide. It's a late 70s model. Our second deck here, or second patio, excuse me. You're going to see a window unit here. You're going to say, Mark, why do you get a window unit if you get central AC? Well, friend, that's because this entire Florida room has been rebuilt. You got the new door there, and that's going to be a separate AC unit just for that area. So you have a central AC in the main home. You got window AC in the Florida room, okay? And like I said in the intro, guys, we have 2 of everything. 2 sheds, 2 ACs, 2 patios. Even got 2 refrigerators too. So we'll take a look at that here when we jump in. A couple of quick steps to gain access into the property. Now, folks, the seller's in the process of moving out. Okay, so we do have some boxes and some belongings that are in the process of getting their new home. We've all been there, so just take that into consideration as we take a look at it. First bedroom here, veering to the right on a single wide, very nice in size. Of course, we have the queen bed there, plenty of space in the end tables. Yep, you guessed it, 2 closets. So we got the mirrored one in the middle. We got some custom shelving with the built-in door there in the middle, and then your second closet on the side-by-side. Looking slick. I like that accent wall with that beadboard. That's pretty neat. New floors all the way throughout the home. 1 of 2 fully rebuilt bathrooms here. A couple of things I want to point out. You got a new toilet there, and you have new cabinets and a full new vanity. But if you like taller vanities, okay, this is for you. Okay, this is going to be a standard height, not some of the shorter heights that you see in manufactured homes. So that's quite nice there. Pull it back here. I've got a new pan in there with a new shower stall. Additional cabinetry here. Additional cabinetry as well. You're going to say, Mark, why are the fridge doors open? Well, friend, it's because the person who lives here doesn't currently live here. So what you'll do is you'll pull those out to get extra airflow when the freezer and such is thawing, so you don't have any mold, okay? But we do have a new fridge here, top and bottom. Nice unit. Kitchen looks great. Of course, you got the new stove there with the microwave, new cabinets, new countertops, new hardware, new sink. They redid the plumbing here in the home as well. They dropped that nice Whirlpool, or excuse me, the GE stainless dishwasher in. Nice having a pantry. That's just a huge single wide. Cruising on over here with the custom built-in, additional cabinets. And just continues to go on and on. You really don't realize how big a 60-foot single wide is, guys, until you start walking around these. Okay, we walk around these homes all day long, as you know, if you're friends of the channel. Rarely do you get a 60-footer. That's just a big house, and the space keeps on coming. So when we're talking about the split floor plan, as I mentioned in the intro, bed and a bath on a side, bed and a bath on another side. These are rare floor plans. You really don't see a lot of these come up. When they do, they get snapped up very fast. It's great for roommates. It's great for just having your own space type of thing. Whether you're doing the multi-generational living or however you're doing it. It's just nice to have a bed and a bath. It adds that additional privacy. Again, being friends of the channel, you're going to see most of the single wides are going to be either a 1-bed, 1-bath or a 2-bed, 1-bath. And the bathroom is going to split in between the bedrooms. Not this one. Split floor plan is what everybody wants. And I totally get it. This Florida plan, or excuse me, the Florida room is fantastic. It's nearly the same length as the entire house. I'll come down here to give you an idea of it. Of course, got this beautiful tile laid on throughout. Got new windows all the way around it. We did pull the storm shutters, or excuse me, the seller pulled them. Okay, storm season, people will do that. I'll do the knock test. Okay, so you got real glass in there. It's nice because you see the latches here. So you can pop those open, enjoy the beautiful cross breeze. Of course, on the opposite side here, you have that huge side yard. There's your separate AC unit, keeping this area nice and cool. New door. This looks super nice. This space is massive, guys, for how big it is. I hope you get an idea in the video. I know you got ladders and such, so you got to use your imagination a little bit. This area over here is massive. Another thing I want to point out is the sheer height of this Florida room. Again, being friends of the channel, you're going to notice most of the Florida rooms are, I don't know, maybe 8 feet, 7 feet, a lot of them in park models. Not this one. Golly, I don't even know, maybe 10 plus feet. So if you got extra space that you need, this house has it. It doesn't end there. They partitioned this area. They dropped in their laundry units, washer and dryer stand with the home, updated full-size water heater. You got that hand washing station for the utility tub. Take a look at that, guys. Secondary fridge. There's your access door to the back patio. Span on over. You're going to see that you have the extra cabinetry here as well. So a massive, massive single wide. We usually don't get 60 footers unless they're brand new homes. And if they're brand new homes, they don't have build outs like this Florida room. So I think this might in fact be a channel first on a 60 foot with a fully built out Florida room, updated all the way throughout. So if you're looking for a large space, you want the split floor plan with the bed and bath on either side, you want this extra space here, you want the golf cart, you want everything updated, and make sure you take a look at this home because this one is a winner here in Lake Placid, Florida. Hey friends, welcome back. So what are your thoughts on the property located at 2 Center Isle? Let us know in the comments below what your favorite feature is. Me personally, it's got to be the size. Most of the time we get single wides and they're about 48 feet long. Rarely do we get one that's 60 feet long, especially one with the fully built out Florida room. This truly, folks, lives like a double wide. Now, before we talk about numbers, if you're new to the channel, thanks so much for coming and hanging out. But please, come take a look at our website. We'll put it on the bottom of the screen here. sellmobilehome.com. That's going to have the updated information on this home and everything else. Now, when we're talking about numbers, at the time of this listing, this home is coming in under $50,000. That's right, folks. All this square footage, the fully rebuilt out home is going to market at $46,000. $46,000 for the price of the home. Lot rent's right around $850 a month. $850 a month to be in a resort-style community here in sunny Lake Placid with this gorgeous property at $46,000. A lot of bang for your buck, that is for sure. Now, if this home is of interest for you or somebody that you know, we're going to go ahead and put Eric's contact on the bottom of the screen. He's the gentleman who's handling this area for the team and doing a fantastic job. Give him a holler, send him a text, and let him know that you're interested in the property located at 2 Center Isle, and he will be more than happy to help answer all of your questions. Well, folks, that wraps us up here today. My name is Mark. You've been with the Mobile Home Dealer. Thank you so much for coming along with us here today. And as always, we'll see y'all on the next one.